Page 147. This is number 4 at the bottom of the page. This is kind of interesting. We still got these broken chords going on. So you see in the right hand, these quarter notes, these broken chords, they're similar to what you had in the previous one on these. Except these aren't triplets. These are a different rhythm. Doesn't matter what the rhythm is. You're looking at the notes and you recognize it as a broken chord. And that's what we're after. So I look at these measures and I'm recognizing the chord. Here, it makes reading the music so much easier when you can do that. Rather than trying to figure out each note one at a time, recognize it as a chord, as one thing. So let's go through that process quickly, because this is a short piece and you're not supposed to really spend time learning it. You're just supposed to play it. I still go through the process. 2 lines long, treble bass clef, 1 sharp in the key signature. We're in the key of G major, so I'll do the scales for G major and E minor. 4/4 time signature. I see a bunch of quarter notes, half notes, and whole notes, so the rhythm shouldn't be a problem. The hands, let's just make sure we have it. The right hand is here, start, and we're moving around. And I'm not moving the whole hand like that. I like to crawl around. I like to feel my way around a keyboard. So here, I'm moving the thumb and then the hand. And I do second on the 3rd measure here because I don't want to be up here. You can go up here if you want. There's nothing wrong with it. I don't like it, so I do that. So there. And then here. That's that chord. And then measure 5, same thing, or however you finger it. Then come up, and as I'm doing that, I can get the, as I'm playing these notes, I'm getting the first note of the next measure ready. I'm not staying here and then suddenly moving. See, going from measure 6 to measure 7, I'm reaching down already because I know it's coming. I'm reaching down. So I'm thinking ahead, reading ahead slightly. It comes. You're going to learn to do it. It will happen. It's kind of hard to explain. It happens. You learn to look ahead and you learn to prepare it. So even though in measure 5 I'm here, measure 6 I'm here, I'm not waiting to measure 6 to move. I'm actually looking at measure 6 because I know what the notes are in measure 5 already. It's a chord. And I'm looking where I got to go. That thumb's got to be here, so I'm just getting the thumb here already ready to go. So I'm moving around, crawling around as I'm playing. Left hand starting here. Just whole notes. Okay, put them together. Connected it all. Whatever, I don't know, it doesn't say a lot on it. They got slurs over the quarter notes to connect those, so that takes out the option of staccatos like we did before. I can't go because the music says to slur it. You slur it now. They don't say anything with the left hand, so how do you feel it should be? Well, I would connect these. If you want, you can lift up to the phrasing, which is probably every 4 measures. So at the end of the first line, 4th, make a lift up. Like taking a breath. Then the dynamic MP with the swells. The hairpins go up and down. They don't tell you how much to go up and down. You feel it. You go up to maybe moderately loud and go. I don't think this piece, the atmosphere of it isn't necessarily get loud. It just go up a little bit. So and there's both hands here. Whatever you think moderately soft is. Second line, or second measure still moderately soft, and then go up a little. Right there. See, I look in the middle of the hairpins and see what's there, and that's my target. That's where I'm going to. It's on here, there, that in the left hand. Well, and I go up to there and then come back down. Softer, softer. It's a little different when they put such a quick diminuendo at the end like that. You only have a couple notes to do it in. So in the second measure of each line, I haven't changed it because the hairpin actually seems to start with the right hand here. But I'm staying pretty close to moderately soft here, and then go up a little bit in the next measure. Now, see if you can get in and feel these dynamics. Does it say anything to you? The speed is moderato. I've been going way too fast. It's been fun though. And again, it's the overall feel of the piece. It looks like the melody is really in the left hand. So if you're going to make the melody go moderato, that makes the quarter notes go. So it depends on how you choose to interpret the piece, whether the moderato is going to apply to the melody, the whole notes, or is it going to apply to the quarter notes, or somewhere in between, the feel of it. Somewhere, to me, that's more like it for a moderato feel. Yeah. Now they've added pedal. Isn't that nice? Again, I've learned it all without pedal. I want to make sure my fingers are doing what they're supposed to do because the pedal could cover it up. It's the legato pedal or the lag pedal. The note goes down first and then the pedal. Here there's not a problem because they're whole notes. You're going to hold them down anyway. So you pedal right after you play the note. You change the pedal right after you play the note. If you want to hear the phrasing at the end of the second line, lift the pedal up with the hands. So there's a little silence before you go on. There are different ways of doing it. And lift everything up together. If you don't want to hear the phrase, then you overlap all the way through. It's interpretation. Remember the natural accents. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Feel the natural accents as you're playing it. Let's play it together slowly, just to check the notes and the rhythms. I'm not going to do the dynamics. I'm not going to do the pedaling because you hear the notes better without. We're not performing it. We're just checking notes and rhythms. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. 4. 4.